Hey guys, I hope you all had a great break, a great Christmas, and continue to have a great break. I wanted to go ahead and come on and just tell you guys, hey, and definitely miss seeing you, and just kind of talk about our schedule for next week. You do not have to be on Zoom until 7:50 every day, Monday through Friday. So even next Friday, we will be on this schedule, okay? So on Monday, so every morning at 7:50 to 8, we'll do our morning meeting. You need to be on Zoom with me. From 8 to 8:20, we're going to do our reading mini lesson. And then at 8:20, you're going to go and do your independent work. This will be your reading time. I might pull you to read with. This is the time that you're going to get that independent reading time from 8:20 to 9. Okay, and so that work will be in Google Classroom on what you have to do. From 9:05 to 9:50, we have related arts. Those are going to be live Zoom lessons, so I will be posting your related art links in Google Classroom for you. Then right after related arts, just like we have in the classroom, you will have your recess break or movement break for you to get up, stretch your legs. Prefer you to stay on Zoom, turn off your camera, turn off your mic, but just kind of get up, stretch your legs. That's only until 10:10. Then after that, we are going to do some social studies. It is a social studies week next week, so we will do our social studies from 10:15 to 10:45. That will be a live lesson in Zoom. Then from 10:45 to 11:25, just like always, is your intervention time. That's going to be time for you to finish some work. I'll have some activities for you to do too, some pre-recorded videos for you to watch. That's going to be your work time. Miss Walker will pull her students. So that's what that work time is going to be like. Then from 11:25 to 11:45, our usual writing time. We will do a live writing lesson through Zoom. Then from 11:45 to 12:05, you will do your independent writing time. So to work on that writing, I'll pull some people to work with as well. Then from 12:05 to 12:40, our usual lunch break. This will be lunch and recess though. So it'll be kind of like your movement break and your lunch at the same time. You can get off Zoom for that, but you have to be back on Zoom at 12:45. So 12:45 to 1:05, we will do our live through Zoom math lesson. Then from 1:05 to 1:45, that would be your math work time. Where you go and do that practice. I might pull some people to do some small groups with to work with. But that is what that time will be for. Then from 1:45 to 2 o'clock, we will have our closing circle. We will finish out our day together. And then if you need me, have any questions, from 2 to 2:55 will be my office hours. So if you had any questions for me, that would be the time that you could stay on Zoom and we could have a chat about that, okay? Don't forget, this is from home next week. I'm from home too. So just kind of keep that in mind, but please be prepared. Make sure you have everything with you. And I will post more about what you're going to need and everything closer to Monday, okay? So enjoy the rest of your break. I can't wait to see you all again. Bye.